Hey everybody, welcome back to this guy's garage. Today we're going to talk about tires and their expiration date. Stick around. Well, I'm here in Kingston, Ontario. I just picked up this trailer yesterday at our nation's capital, Ottawa. The home of the handjob artist, Justin Trudeau. And we got this lovely hardtop trailer. And before we get on the road today, I'm going to put some tires on this because the number one rule is don't go down the road with shitty tires. So these tires looked excellent under inspection yesterday, but I drove this thing about an hour and a half to get here, and you can see what's going on right here. Sidewalls are starting to come out of it, so you can see that. So what I'm going to do is get some tires on this, because I got to go about 18 hours to get this thing home. So, do tires have an expiry date? Yes, 6 years from the date of manufacture. Peace.
Like and subscribe. This guy's garage.